Hello everyone! Welcome to another English learning video. This video will help you improve both your speaking and listening skills. Today, I'm going to tell you a short and exciting story. It's about a young girl who almost missed her flight and ended up having the most unbelievable day of her life. I'll tell the story sentence by sentence. Pause after each sentence and repeat after me. This technique is called shadowing. It will help you speak more clearly and understand English more naturally. Are you ready? Let's begin the story. My name is Emily Rose, and this is the story of my crazy day at the airport. It starts on a bright Saturday morning. I have a flight from Los Angeles to Chicago. It's very important because I have a job interview for my dream company. But the night before, I stay up way too late. I watch movies on my laptop. I keep saying, just one more movie. Suddenly, it's 2:30 a.m. My flight is at 8 a.m. I set my alarm for 5:30 a.m. and tell myself, 3 hours of sleep is fine. Of course, it isn't. When I open my eyes, sunlight is already filling my room. I grab my phone. It's 7:10 a.m. My heart stops. Oh no! I shout so loudly that my neighbor knocks on the wall. I have less than 50 minutes before my flight. The airport is at least 30 minutes away. I jump out of bed. I don't even brush my teeth. I just wash my face quickly. I grab my suitcase. Then I realize something awful. I'm still wearing my pink pajamas with little cats on them. Should I change? No time. I throw on a big hoodie, grab my shoes, and run out the door. My neighbor's dog starts barking at me. I must look like a cartoon character. Luckily, a taxi is waiting near my apartment. I jump in and shout, "Airport, please, fast!" The driver looks at me and says, "Miss, you're still in pajamas." I turn red. "Yes, I know. Please, just drive." He laughs the entire way to the airport. To make it worse, I forgot my hairbrush. My hair looks like a bird's nest. When I reach the airport, it's 7:45 a.m. I have 15 minutes left. I run inside with my heavy suitcase. Of course, my shoelaces are untied. In the middle of the hall, I trip and almost fall. People stare. A little boy points at me and says, "Mom, look, that lady's in pajamas." I want the floor to swallow me. I rush to the check-in counter. The woman says calmly, "I'm sorry, check-in is closed." I beg, "Please, just one more minute." She shakes her head kindly. "I'm really sorry." I feel my stomach drop. I missed my flight. I walk away slowly, trying not to cry. Then I see a kind airport worker nearby. I ask her, "Excuse me, is there a changing room?" She looks at my clothes and smiles. She hands me a small key. "You can use that room," she says kindly. I thank her and go inside. I change into proper clothes, jeans and a blue shirt. I feel much better now. When I come out, the kind lady is gone. I want to return the key, but she's nowhere to be seen. I sit down near the gate, holding the key in my hand. The airport is busy. People hurry, children laugh, announcements echo. Suddenly, a tall man in a black coat walks past me. He looks nervous. His eyes move left and right quickly. He comes to me and asks me, "What time is it?" I tell him. Then he walks away fast. A few minutes later, I hear a phone ringing. The sound comes from a black bag beside my chair. It's the same man's bag. He left it there. I feel nervous. Should I touch it? Should I leave it? Then a message appears on the phone screen. Run away from the police now. Leave the airport. My hands start to shake. Why run from the police? I slowly open the bag. Inside, I see stacks of money and documents with strange stamps. I know what I must do. I take the bag to the airport police station. The officer listens carefully. He thanks me for bringing it. He tells me the man is a wanted criminal. They've been searching for him for weeks. He says, "You did the right thing. If you see him again, call us immediately." I nod and leave. I feel proud but still a little scared. Then I remember I still have the key to the changing room. I decide to return it. When I reach the room, no one is there. Suddenly, someone grabs me from behind. It's the same man, the criminal. He holds a knife and whispers, "Where's my bag?" I say, trembling, "It's in the room, over there." He walks inside to check. The moment he steps in, I shut the door and lock it from outside with the key. I shout, "Help! Help! Someone help me!" Security guards rush over. They call the police immediately. Soon, officers arrive and arrest the man. He's furious, but trapped. Everyone looks at me, surprised and amazed. The police thank me for my bravery. They say, "You helped us catch a dangerous criminal." I feel proud and very, very tired. The airline gives me a free ticket for my next flight. They also give me a meal voucher and say, "Heroes deserve a good meal." I smile. Even though my morning was a disaster, it became an unforgettable adventure. Sometimes the worst mornings turn into the best stories. Now, let's practice together. Listen carefully. Repeat each sentence after me. That's the shadowing technique. It helps you speak more clearly and listen like a native speaker. Practice every day, even just 5 minutes, and you will see a big difference. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next English story.